Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E15 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So of course I've got the gestures currently set, but I will guide you to the specific section and then show you how to use the gestures. So let's open the settings and here we have to scroll and find the gestures. Let's tap. Then let's tap on navigation mode and here we've got the options. If you've got the 3-button navigation, you've got this settings icon and you can customize the home button for the assistant. So just saying, all you have to do here is to tap on this gesture navigation option, and instead of the 3 buttons, you've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can customize them here. Also, you can change them back sensitivity to be higher or lower. It's totally up to you. And the navigation bar, you can show it or hide it. I prefer to have it hidden. So now how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center until you see this arrow. Now you can release the finger and you just go back, and the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this gesture is quick and short, like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, but so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.